What's up guys, welcome back for another video. It's been a while. Oh, hoggies in the wave. Or it's fished already, but unfortunately I just seen one hoggy, but minor. If you haven't been here before, we do adventure vlogs throughout the state of Hawaii, hopefully throughout the world. We do a lot of fishing, we're gonna do some rappelling. You can get out there, have some fun. And it's the first time ever that I come down here and the river is raging. Well, not raging, but it's going. If you can't tell, we're gonna do some fishing. Let's get our hooks in the water. Holy crap, it smells something stank and dank. Oh, I'm gonna eat shit here. So sick. First time seeing this river run like this. Dang, the rain is coming in, bro. I'm gonna get rained on, guaranteed. Whoa. Okay, maybe I shouldn't stand here. Some dust, some dirt just fell off of this cliff. Ooh, yeah, right on the camera, yeah, this dirt fell off of the cliff, which means you should get the hell out of here, Dre. Roger that. All right, check this out. PVC pipe, some Velcro, the non-rough side, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, PVC pipe, some Velcro, some screws. My dad made this for me, so you can prep your line, make it extra efficient, convenient. Just snap it off, snap it on. I got the companion bloodworm. It is the Yoro Glow, I think. I don't know. It's purple and there's shiny stuff in it. We're gonna send it. I always get good hits with these bloodworms, so might as well use them again and again. Why not? That's okay. Send it out. Companion bloodworms. Even got the red bead on top. Roger. Correction. Companion bloodworms. These purple ones. These are called purple haze. I wonder what was going through the mind of the person who you know, named these. I think that was a rock. I don't know if that was a rock or a fish. That's probably a rock. Woo! That was a bite. That was a bite for sure. That is stuck for sure. This time straight out. Yeah. Too far, too far. Whoop. Ah! Oh, that was fun. Stuck. First stuck. Oh, second stuck. Don't still stuck. Come on. Got him. Right there. Good stuff. First catch of the day. Hey. Dangle. Right on the inside too. Companion bloodworms, baby. Small guy. Going crazy. Whoa. Okay. 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 I got you, bro. I'm gonna hook you up. Or unhook you up. Right, just gotta relax. Relax. Give me back my bloodworm too. Oh, it's gone. Look at that. Beautiful. Fishy, wishy, right on the inside. Appeal. Hold on, umilu, small umilu. You see the blue. Whoa, whoa. Ah, relax, babe. Swoop. In there, like swimwear. So this is how I bait my grubs and lures, or mostly the bloodworms. Roger. Oh, that was a bite for sure. Stop. Damn it, David. Come on. One more time, go to boy. Let me go. Nope. Oh. Come on, brother. Right. Everything is gone. We got a different hook. We got some revolver grubs from Companion Lures. I always see them a lot on Instagram and they seem to be working pretty well, so let's give it a try. Roger! Stay now! That's something was jumping right in the front. Big wave! I better move! Oh, not bad, not bad. Overreacting. Oh, I'm hitting a lot of rocks. I'm not getting any bites right now. Just that one papillo. The weather's starting to clear up a little bit. What? Well, that sucks. There we go. go. And I think I got it. I swear I got stuck like what, 5 times already? Damn it, damn it. There we go. Roger that, peeps. Do back on the purple haze. Purple haze. Purpley hazy. Alright, switch up the angles. Roger. Imagine seeing somebody fish like this. How would you react? I know most of you put me on Hungry Hawaiians, that's for sure. Somebody fishing on drop me. They like surf and fish at the same time. Yeah! But you're still gonna subscribe to me, yeah? But it's fish like this from now on. You're not gonna unsubscribe, right? In that bodyboarding mode and that fishing mode. Yeah, I'm mostly in that fishing mode. Stuck again. Come on! Oh, there we go. Yeah. There we go. See what this bloodworm can do again. Oh, that was a bite. Oh my God, that was a bite. That was a big bite right there. Woo! What was that? What? Look at this. Bent the hook, bit the grub. Guarantee wasn't one hoggy. Okay. So you gotta be careful. Only bought 3 egg weights. Okay, only 3. Cause I thought I was badass and I only needed 3 of them. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Christmas wrap. Let's go. You know, if I had my dunking rig, I would send them out live, but we're only whipping today. Come on, guys. Oh, I feel some raindrops falling on my hand. Oh, this guy got some deep game. There we go. Aloha. Dude, the weather's coming in real quick. You see the rain. Okay, so the rain that I was talking about, it passed. And now it's like a new rain right here. Whole new story. Well, I'm gonna try and let this rain pass by. Know damn well I ain't gonna get this camera wet. Roger. It may be raining, but I'm sure the camera won't get wet if it's underneath this rock. Rain or shine, still have a good time. All right, sun is out. The rain is done. I hope. Roger. I'm gonna switch up the bait. Put some revolver grubs back on maybe. And then let's see. Weather's back to normal. Yeah, the weather here where I'm from is super bipolar. But the Panya lures, I think this is the Opai 2. Let's go. Let's go. There you go, got something. Oh, would you look at that? Fatty. So what we got here is called the po'opa'a or stocky hawkfish. If you're not from Hawaii and you like to butcher names, the po'opa'a. These guys are super strong as well, so we could totally have a long ass interview. And after all that time, this guy will still be alive, ready to go. Super strong fish. You're almost there, buddy. Right back in action. That was a bite. That was not a bite. Something's on it though. Something's on, I got it on. Not a po'opa'a. Whipping small po'opa'a today. Come on, guys. They're so strong, I swear. Everything. Egg weight is gone. I'm out of egg weights. Amateur, huh? 3 egg weights. Who do you think we were? Badass. Should have brought more. Well, I guess I'm gonna start looking around for some rocks, some holes in them, I guess. Sick. Check this out. Rock boy action. Oh! Wow, what a fish like! Nope, I'm good. Time to take this rock off. I think it's doing more damage than it is profit. guys, in this spot. So I was making my way down here. It was around 10 o'clock. There's a truck parked on the side. Okay. The wind was a light breeze and flies were kind of around that truck. So there's a guy in there sleeping, okay, mouth open, head back, mouth open, catching those flies, bro. Major. It smelled weird. The first thing that came to my head was dead pig. Second thing that came to my head was he's dead. Bro, my heart starts pumping. I'm thinking to myself, oh bro, I'm gonna be like Logan Paul. But anyways, tripping. My heart was pumping. I was thinking to myself, nah, if I should just leave him here, and then on my way back up, if he's still up here, mouth open, same position, then he's probably dead. But damn, I'm glad he's gone. Wherever you were, thank you for being alive. Roger that. So I had some leftover time. I figured I'd come back to the river, hang out for just a second, end the vlog. See a lot of these prawns over here. Now I know where to come for bait. This is actually what me and Butters were using on that catch and cook video. Send it on the Civic EV2. We were at the EV2, guys. Check out that video actually. It's pretty sick. Butters catching some fish. We do a catch and cook. It was a good day. Look at all of them looking at me. Suckling. Eyeing me out. I'll lick all you guys. All you guys who catch crack. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. Not too much action. 4 fish total. It was still cool to be out there. Even though it rained, it's still beautiful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this videos. And share my channel, guys, with everybody. Please go ahead and spread the word. Share the word. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Shoot!